So apparently this is Botox in a bottle. I've got my clean skin. I have put my toner and my essence on, and I'm going in with 3 drops here and 3 drops here. I'm going to warm the product up a little bit, and I'm going to place it where my skin might need a little line removal. So obviously this is not real Botox, and I haven't ever done Botox, but not that I'm ever saying I'm never going to do Botox. But while I'm 51 years old, and as long as I can, I will refrain from anything like that. So I'm placing it here where my crow's feet are, on my forehead, and in these little marionette jowl lines here. Oh, I should have probably put some there as well. Okay, I feel a little tingly. I do. A little plumpness happening here. Is it Botox in a bottle? We'll find out. I'm going to use it for the next week and see what I think. But here's the kicker. You don't want to use this one with vitamin C. Vitamin C will make the molecules in this deactivate, so you're not going to get the benefit. And what this does, it's the argilla, I don't know how to say it. Anyways, what this does is it makes your skin stop wanting to form those wrinkles. It kind of freezes like Botox. And then what this one does is this is the peptide, and that go ahead and plumps the skin up. So you're getting kind of a line eraser that also prevents from the lines continuing, and you get the plumper. So after these set in my skin, I'm going to go ahead and put on my eye serum and my moisturizer like normal. Okay, here it is. Check out my other videos on skincare. I'm 51 and I'd love to help you out.